What's up, Money Via crew? Imagine this. You wake up, check your phone, and bam! Thousands of dollars just hit your account, all thanks to AI. Sounds crazy, right? But guys, this is the future we're living in. AI is changing the game faster than ever. And today, I'm not just gonna talk about it. I'm gonna show you how to use it to make serious cash. We're talking 5 incredible ways to cash in on the AI revolution. Stay tuned, cause I've got a secret AI trick at the end that'll blow your minds and help you level up your earnings faster than you can say algorithm. Let's do this. Alright guys, the first way to make money with AI is so simple, it's almost criminal. We're talking about selling AI-generated content. I'm talking blog posts, marketing copy, even entire ebooks, all crafted by AI. Now before you say, Jimmy, that sounds too good to be true, hear me out. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, and Pseudo-Write are like having a team of professional writers at your fingertips, ready to crank out high-quality content 24/7. Use Quillbot to give your AI content that extra polish. It'll make it even more unique and engaging so you can charge top dollar. Yo, who needs art school when you have AI? That's right, folks. AI can create stunning graphics, illustrations, and even logos that'll make your jaw drop. And guess what? You can sell them and make bank. We're talking tools like Canva AI, Midjourney, and DALL-E 3, which are basically like having a personal design team at your beck and call. Need a killer social media post? Boom, AI's got you covered. Want to create eye-catching marketing designs that'll make your competitors weep with envy? AI can do that too. But here's where it gets really wild, AI-generated art. We're talking mind-blowing pieces that'll make you question reality. Sell these masterpieces on platforms like Fiverr or 99 Designs, and watch the money roll in. And for all you hustlers out there, create print-on-demand products like t-shirts, mugs, and posters featuring your AI-generated designs. People love unique swag, and you'll be cashing in on every sale. But wait, there's more. Bonus tip, dive into the world of NFTs with Leonardo AI. This bad boy can create hyper-realistic digital art that sells for insane amounts. Think $50 to $500 per piece. We're talking life-changing money here, people. Loading right now, and you can cash in by offering content creation services powered by AI, voiceovers, and even personalized messages. The possibilities are endless. Chapter 5. Alright guys, let's talk about passive income, the holy grail of making money online, and guess what? AI can help you achieve it with affiliate marketing. Now I know what you're thinking. Affiliate marketing? That sounds complicated. But trust me, with AI by your side, it's easier than ever. We're talking about tools like ChatGPT Plus, Surfer SEO, ManyChat AI, and Copy.ai, which are basically like having a team of marketing gurus working for you around the clock. Imagine this. You tell ChatGPT to write SEO-optimized blog posts that rank high on Google and are packed with affiliate links. People click on your links, buy products, and boom. You earn a commission without lifting a finger. Or, how about this? Use ManyChat AI to build automated sales funnels with chatbots. These bots can interact with customers, answer questions, and even close deals for you, all while you're sipping margaritas on the beach. And for all you wordsmiths out there, Copy.ai can help you write high-converting email sequences that'll make your subscribers hit the buy now button faster than you can say open rate. Bonus tip, join high-ticket affiliate programs that pay $500 or more per sale. That's right, one sale could potentially earn you enough to cover your rent or even a weekend getaway. Boom! There you have it, Money Via Crew. 5 mind-blowing ways to use AI to make money online in 2025. We're talking about real, actionable strategies that can help you achieve financial freedom and live life on your own terms. So, which method are you most hyped about? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you're hungry for more money-making secrets and AI hacks, hit that like button and subscribe to Money Via for weekly doses of financial wisdom. Until next time, keep hustling, keep innovating, and let's make some serious bank together.